Spacious 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2-car garage Citrus Springs home. Located on a quiet street on a quarter-acre of land. Inviting entryway includes shrubbery and sitting area. Open and split floor plan of the home creates large living areas and includes a bonus room for whatever your heart desires. Formal dining room offers a luxurious feel as well as more dining space and kitchen area as well as an exit to the enclosed back porch. Enjoy entertaining or just relaxing at this lovely location near restaurants and shopping in the Citrus Springs area. View this home today and make your plans to stay.